Hey there. Are you ready to take your company's growth to the next level? Discover how to set up an equity compensation plan for employees and watch as your team aligns with the company's vision and goals, fostering a culture of ownership and dedication. In this guide, we'll walk you through the essential steps to establish an equity compensation plan that not only incentivizes your employees, but also helps attract and retain top talent in your industry. Step 1. Determine the type of equity compensation. Before diving into the complexities of equity compensation, it's crucial to choose the type that best suits your company's needs. There are several options, including stock options, restricted stock units, and employee stock purchase plans. Stock options grant employees the right to purchase shares at a set price, which can be highly motivating if the company's value grows. RSUs, on the other hand, are a promise to grant stock at a future date, often used to reward loyalty and performance. ESPPs allow employees to buy company stock at a discount, promoting a sense of ownership. Step 2. Define eligibility and vesting schedule. Next, decide who in your organization is eligible for equity compensation and outline a vesting schedule. Eligibility might depend on factors like job level, performance, or tenure. Vesting schedules are crucial as they dictate when employees actually receive their shares or options. A common approach is a 4-year vesting schedule with a 1-year cliff, meaning employees receive their first chunk of equity after 1 year and continue to vest monthly or annually thereafter. This encourages long-term commitment and reduces premature turnover. Step 3. Set up the plan administration. Efficiently administering your equity compensation plan is essential for its success. This involves creating a clear process for granting, tracking, and exercising equity awards. Consider using modern equity management software to streamline the process and maintain accurate records. Ensure compliance with tax regulations and reporting requirements to avoid potential pitfalls. Coordination with your legal and finance teams or a qualified consultant can help navigate these complexities and ensure the plan aligns with legal. Step 4. Communicate and educate your employees. The effectiveness of an equity compensation plan significantly hinges on how well it is communicated and understood by your employees. Hold informational sessions explaining the plan's benefit, how it works, and the long-term value it provides. Address common questions about equity compensation, taxes, and the risks involved. Educating your team empowers them to make informed decisions and maximizes the motivational impact of the plan. Regular updates and transparency regarding changes or performance also help maintain trust and enthusiasm among participants. Step 5. Review and adjust the plan accordingly. Markets evolve, and so should your equity compensation plan. Regularly review the effectiveness of your program to ensure it continues to meet your company's objectives and remains competitive within your industry. Gather feedback from employees to understand their perceptions and satisfaction with the plan. Be open to making adjustments based on your company's performance, market conditions, and the emerging needs of your workforce. This proactive approach helps sustain the long-term success of your equity compensation strategy. Setting up an equity compensation plan for employees is a strategic investment in your company's future. By carefully designing, implementing, and managing the plan, you can drive motivation, foster loyalty, and align the interests of your employees with those of the company. Remember, the key to a successful equity compensation plan is clear communication, thorough planning, and regular adjustments. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a rewarding work environment that attracts and retains top talent. Get started today and watch your company thrive.